And you said the agrodisi corner there. I was said this 4 year fast. Eko Captain Smart. Na si come do ball na sao. Says he can answer. As I know. What that thing wo watching kakra. When it comes to the issue of Galamsey, we say Captain Smart and Yam Brother Crowdom. Obetwa John Mahama eso. Any NDC government no. Now Attorney General Captain Smart answering. So when it comes to the issue of Galamsey, Captain Smart chiremu say Mahama won't mean saki Attorney General. When it comes to Galamsey, Mahama and saki Attorney General because more minor. Or more captain any abre. Or Mahama didn't talk about first. I want to watch the word Yamame. Ever comment section. I hype Penyah Brock Media. Mess was any demo. Over like keep video, not I'm about to subscribe button, some back and keep notification call for the test. I'll be time better why you that mammy ever comment section. Mess was over so I know I see video for any be ashe. It before my question, mammy chain football could be. Enra and mammy could do our USC, Virginia, Woodbridge on craft for a bedroom and I also Penyah. Oh, Penyah, your dog, Penyah, oh, Penyah, your dog, bro. So the PIA show. Me were USC, Woodbridge, Virginia City. But me did not share me. It's mammy could do I. Nyame shira opa manage pa say wo so onya bre ede wo phone wo data ehwemi akwanya se nyina anyame o shira pide yo amano ne bia no enkoso na nyame na oma ahobambo e wo USA honomo de bia no enye nyame enshira opi. Now let's go to the story. When it comes to the issue of Galamsey, just say Ghana no or might not be a BB something which is there. Every which I said Galamsey call from under Mahama. Every which I said there you Galamsey no I think when 18 semu under Mahama because Baby, I Galamsey Edru Hodano. 2025 year, Galamsey Edru Honomo. Bolle, Mahama Kurum Bolle. Not Galamsey Ko Hoda. But in 2025 we know. Galamsey Edru Ho. Railway Takra de Ghana Yakwine. Galamsey Edru Ho. A year 2025 way. Anna Galamsey yes. 18 back TikTok. Enya Okudro. Eye video. Overcall be live so no. Galamsey operator. Or to excavate tema or to all your mining. Now or your TikTok live.
Kwasu gidi. Now, so just for na basai to have a share machine. She so yan say ajemono. Na ajemono na o hwe. Well, I over 10 times, ever tom 10 times. Na say. Unim ne bo we ayo. Nfa nze na ntemile on, de na ntekura na say. O enya ikura 5 days straight mi tom no. Hwe. Una wo ha ho.
When you kukodro or your TikTok live, no two Galamsey. Now kukodro under Mohammed's government. But all this one, ABC Galamsey conform. ABC conform. Now when it comes to this Galamsey issue, not back here, Dominic Dr. Ayine, Akutiringa Ayine, Attorney General. Why your press conference I hold be on Galamsey issue any other day. And I was telling Pebia, or mere prime suspect. I wait me at you for Galamsey and as a time I won't to any won't be. I must have a chance when you some complain bia abase some of the NDC appointees need to Galamsey and that day, but omono document docket and you're ready 89 year or go after them any other day. But Chama won't send someone invitations omra or by Kwanya chin and now no Chama won't crano or akachia the omu what is a moo drosona gasomu was so Chama won't me and I was a ketua. Now Sadi when I cosono and a captain so we no see there be. The attention no air won't be more minor. When it comes to the issue of Galamsey, I'm fighting Galamsey party. The Mahama attention no air near, but I emfa kula. 80 Captain Penyah Smart, the go kwapai. Well, you're like, why you born again, pa? Actually, don't make doctor. Ayine, or Mahama and second attention no attention no more minor.
Galamsey by me, I'm soft Penyah Humbi. Assemblies of God are soft for Kahon. When we had no more say Hokrasi to Galamsey, as a soft for investigate him, says a woman fighting no money.
The king of morning shows.
Because Galamsey site our Ghana had also when we had a home corner so for whom you call. And I national security the amount information.
Obi say boy, didn't she?
National security. And a man for information say what a Galamsey site war. And I saw for none who say oh Galamsey site. No me I saw for the year day. And a certain region, you took Galamsey, Central, you took Galamsey, Western, you took Galamsey. Woman come and be Eastern region.
Didn't she?
And I home concrete Nedana Ditcher. Now, software Penyah once a bomb pie say Galamsey enjoy. Galamsey, it's got nothing to do with Jesus. Galamsey ni Yesu ni hweye. Galamsey ni Nyankopon ni hweye. Galamsey eni honhom konkron eni hweye. Part 4. Upa yem bompa ye wasa sisu nyina. Galamsey entibi jai. Me mo bian do for that thou say prayer can do anything and everything. It's a lie. Empire won't be nyade nyina. Hey. Sister, when emu do ma wadwen so for that open offering. Empire boy entibi nyade nyina.
Captain Smart.
Government can.
Empire boy to be nyade nyina. Adentina sorry eye awufusum.
Enu na meant enu
na tamu na to adakam. O ma me to adakam. O papa to adakam. Na sorry na mo mpa se ma me ni nyane. Empire want to be nyade nyina. Woni ma me ka kire wo. Yeah, to hold on. Me beduma ne. Empire want to be nyade nyina.
Gwen. Ojai.
Eti asofo de kobo empire wo Galamsey site no.
Ojai.
In fact, the entire many abria no pen say baby me am Pentecost sofo ka ho.
Ojai.
Assemblies of God the apostolic force of on coin no. E ho national security for China for nra. Eti pai bon timi nya ade nyina. Ye fa no ntonchen.
Stop Galamsey.
Me am papa dofo. Me buni fere no.
Gwen. I don't know.
Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams.
When
Dollar na all busidi di basa no. Of a city.
Gwen.
Sorry them. I owe that dollar. I owe the city. Any orchestration. Hold on. Any orchestration.
Gwen.
And any spiritual understanding against the sukrumudum, the sukrumutre, the tuntum ko, the tuntumbra against the city.
Gwen.
I relegate and negate. And I deploy and employ the authority of God. Me do nyame obo sampa we ade achi Monday na dollar ni twam shim.
Masalam Tusan
Same here. And yes sir. Duncan Williams ni tumi so yesofo. Menka sa.
Ojai.
Owo tumi a. Oye nyame nipa wakose opani idahosa ase.
Ojai.
Atete no de naba. Ba de atia ne say.
Ojai.
Empire bontimi nyo ade nyina. Wo guru mpai bo ho aha. Galamsey site asofo na ekono. Wo da ya check asofo na ba he. Wo koi na wo to nyumu se ne da chi bi ye be hye bi ni owuo na omo pe.
Government can never.
Me an so pani ni gina ho. Me papa, ma de nyina me dofo papa bi.
When
Asofo.
I don't know.
We are see me clerical crack am. Na Galamsey site the clerical ko ho.
Gwen.
Ghana oh, yeah, funny people. But also we are Bama, America, California, so go to ho. Na fa excavator ko so okotu. See the software na baba. TDJs onu ko bedane. Patro ma mintie bi software ni na me kan se mi cho. Tino.
When
Ghana betum polo mama inamo obiara na famjo mama benya koso Ghana betum. People will humble themselves and turn from our wicked ways and cry. We will build our land and save us. Build our nation. Build our nation. Complex.
Man can't tire. Man can't tire. Yes, hold on. You see?
Gwen.
What was I know about San Jose? did we get here?
Masalan kusan feli atunda kan.
Mame nka asɛm nkyerɛ wo ene. Sɛ mpaebɔ yɛ adeɛ ina ka kyerɛ ɔsɔfo sɛ ma ne nkɔ hospital. Tell your pastor, sir, mpaebɔ tumi yɛ adeɛ ina. Ma ne ngye visa nkɔ London. Ɔmmɔ mpaeɛ awurade fa me tu. Susum konkro Penyah me fi ɔdɔ nanim.
Told ya.
Awurade fa me free kana nkwenene. I'm free to move. I was yes to deal with the power that existed in the death and the resurrection of Christ. Already Penyah me fi kumase. Metima no na me Australia wa bodam.
Samaki Israel Yehovah.
One sa se anyame boy e fa bi ye friend Australia. Jiwu fi sashi. E bank na wa ba jibisa. Ebisafo denti na sore no ho hia yen chen oman no. Eye because ya Kenya me sabon kwa na akire yen nipa sam yen ka bi.
Bibini Bibini ye nipa o. Bibini
Na ehu ma yen se oman. Yes mami, teme de me kasa na ebreo. Bible na ka asem bibio say for the lack of knowledge my people perish. Jebi ni twi ye kan say nimidia me manfo ninti wo bre patwa nya mpaibo. Sofo ya wa baso e friend Roger yi obewu
wani
anamwa so a prophet Bible says obewu ana say onwu ada na o hye nkom to ne ho so say obedi 1,000 years me nua me dofo Roger on tumi hye sa nkom no because onim say oye nipa obewu anamwa ana onwu obewu efisa wo ye nipa etisa wo ye nipa na wo ti asase so a sa dwena nya adwuma abrante ne friend say common sense guy no menua no Avram osise adwena nya adwuma nipadua no bebre
esoro kwasia me soro nyansafo
ebi before ye wo how every time for my men kind of question show. Galamsey fight no. NDC ni MPP won't mean fight it.
At all. I have gold. I have plenty money in my pocket. So I don't mind cocoa. Look, I'm not cutting it.
Me.
wani
Mr. Dua. Na makari how watch now. Me say NDC ni MPP won't be fighting Galamsey. Ma me kan no kwasem panche na wo yemu ntwakuru. NDC executives are any party members are to Galamsey no. Some do so MPP for na no mo ho.
Government can never stop Galamsey. This Ghana at all.
NDC for to Galamsey say no. What do so MPP for na no to Galamsey no. Me that is why when me na my careful. Because you do something that can make catch up pepe. Oh, you make a crew.
Government can never stop.
Oh, Papa Smith, Jerry Galamsey, Bosso. Pacho, Bosso, DC not one or a CPP. Oh, yeah, this is. It is our Cobo Smith who says, yeah, Peter. Not DC not one or NDC. I only hear the head of the District Security Council. No, our boys had a deal with a campaign. Our constituency to Galamsey. Don't think car or Kawan or Kahon. And here number one. But see, you come and so quanta. Mansu Quanta DC. Okay, MC, another DC. DC not a Mansu Quantano, M4 Pacho. Or MPPD. Or Miami Party CPPD. Or DC. Baba si kwa manson kwanta.
Yeta.
So. Hey, basi kwa manson kwanta. So. Na kwehwe de we ya Galamsey no ekoso manson kwanta. Aye wo DCE wo ho.
Government can never stop Galamsey in.
Kwa manson kwanta, manson adubia.
So.
Basi kwa Kenya go. Na ko bisa won say. Galamsey Peter drip machine to munya baby mfanfa no de akoye duba. And what are we doing? We are sitting here and praying. We are just jokers.
At all.
Basi kwa takwa. Mr. Me producer. Number videos them are fresh and run with try. Pacho, wait, JB, wait, and dada, wait, MPP video, wait, NDC video, wait, and not there to go say, Momwami, and why 6th October 2025, NDC video. There yet be yan say, JB, are there we bang, no, I just say, Consulity. Was I just so my the deal of it all? Eh, quiet and on my dear to a goo. Till Sadia way now, my dear to a goo. Peter, a forest and on my tear sim, my dear at a. This is happening now under John Mahama. This is happening right under. There's a regional minister in Western region. And I mean, look at the effrontery. This guy, when you could draw, can find the Siwano, their bones swimming out to a boo.
Bibini and the pow. Bibini, oh.
Many, I have come to a conclusion. Both NDC and MPP, they can't fight Galamsey. But let me say this, I am always quick to admit. So I'm going to be fighting. I remember the catch was NDC to me fighting Galamsey. But today sitting here, NDC, MPP, they can't fight Galamsey.
At all. Government can never stop Galamsey in this Ghana at all.
Shekewu, I question Jerry Justice.
When?
This video, these pictures were taken just yesterday. Now, yeah, the judge Penyah and say Galamsey has gone down. Judge.
Government can never stop Galamsey in this Ghana at all.
Forester, woman G at Wegu, Forester. Body about coming a table. If not for anything, NDC should be able to fight Galamsey for us. Video where pictures where you can rap.
They think they are sensible and they keep on making
mistakes. And me catch them, me say so, my cambium taba executive theater. Me say cambium match now say. Answer na NDC force say, led by my dear president, Obetimia fighting Galamsey no. On cancer na attorney general and say. Emrana on one kasa dear ni Musa attorney general. Emma ye koye say, ye betu Galamsey wo kwaye mu no. Sambra no mu ntwam. Abanye de buso nkron. Ada na sambra no ntimi ntwam. Enra me ka kire wo say. Kwaye bia ni nsuo enenam. Kwaye bia wa asase so. Eti yemfa de say akufa no na adwenye. Ena ofre Dominic Ayine betra table who say, you see, my brother, you're a lawyer, I'm also a lawyer. And you have to do something to make sure that we will get a lot of revenue to build this mother Ghana.
When?
I have the commitment and the capabilities and the ability.
Today, you don't hear
to make sure that this country will move from there where it is today to the next level.
Today, Italian young people are in Italy.
Pacho Dominic Ayine, Committee of Subsidiary Legislation, so Parliament. Look, my question is, time and Dominic Ayine, Koje Sadian Tumuno, where was Fifi Kwete? Is he not the General Secretary of the NDC?
I don't know.
Where was my own Asobunketia? Is he not the chairman of the NDC? Hey. Where were they? Who said what? When they came, yeah, running commentaries around Akufado. We left Dominic Ayine. I am telling you today, Dominic Ayine is a problem.
Today, you don't hear it.
If the NDC need to find the X in the fight against Galamsey, the X is Dominic Ayine.
Government can never stop Galamsey in this Ghana at all.
I am waiting to see and hear that day. Sir, under the administration of John Mahama, the person I campaigned and voted for. One met me there, Emra, Aqua Parliament, to say, Emrana, ye to was a year, Baba, ye Galamsey, ye be too good, where ye quiet muno. Ye come, bang, bang, bang. Listen here. Minana Efanso, I can't say Minana Kokubichem, or a bementi, or quality no. Oh, I don't know. Or see, baby, I don't baby, she announced saying as a phone one, she had another massive baby. So, Efa, yes, I can home. Baby, I don't baby, she did the war, would just say about what him say, a hundred diners on the years of to
rule this country. Yes, I'm
change when it is denied or too long delayed. Violence will break out here and there. Not that the men plan to wield it, but the accumulated grievances will erupt with volcanic fury. And you see, what if says I had a professor 10 years to come, who told you that lie? Called Malcolm. For the various malls I woke room her. Na kwa cheki ensuo na ye ton ho no se ensuo ni na ye Ghana ha ensuo ni bi ho a efi UK ensuo ni bi fi America ya started kransuo e ba Ghana mpacho anti bi anti ama misenu ama board members mo fa ya jibi.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
And near bet me tell say bet say Mahama memo we bet na fight Galamsey number 1 attorney general. On fam mrano. Enko parliament say bia Dominic Ayine na me chairman of the subsidiary legislation committee of parliament. Me na me kofa bai. Sa mrano so opposition na ye chairman of that committee. Honorable it is say me no ka say MPP ni and the opposition person or the committee do so. Me say, Sabai we say why ready pass up person fighting Galamsey. Galamsey na ye kan dey na ye kan wasem. Enye he e kwa ni nsuo mwa. Our forest, our water. FW, fawo. F ni ye fa, W ni ye wo, fawo. Forest and water. Dominic Ayine called my parliament can't two musa. Hey, yentu Galamsey wo kwa him. Saying this are led by my own John Mahama. If they are ready to fight Galamsey, they should repeal that law. That's number 1. I am waiting to see when. Na yamana see abo Galamsey dum. Na see anyone dey de wu ye bebo, but don't me fight Galamsey.
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media.